There was one week where he came home and said, I don't know why I'm doing this. It was 3 times in 1 week. And he sat in the kitchen and he's like, I keep letting people down.
The point where things needed to change was doing that 68 hours in 3 days. I'm Brent Mooney.
I'm Chloë Mooney.
And we own #Plumbing.
Here in Coquitlam, BC.
I knew that I liked working with my hands. I started to really enjoy working with plumbing because it was just building Lego, right? It was like Lego and Hot Wheels together kind of thing, right? You're just putting this together to make them go.
Brent decided to start in 2015. We had just gotten married. He had the knowledge, he had the know-how, he had the connections, he had the work, he had the sales, but he didn't have the right systems and procedures in place. Nobody really teaches you how to run a trades business.
Money came in, money went out. I don't know how much money was coming in. I don't know how much money was going out.
Before Chloe days, we call them, Brent was doing everything. He was answering the phones, replying to emails, applying for permits, calling for inspections, dealing with homeowners, dealing with contractors.
Asking for help's hard, right? Getting told that you need help is even harder.
Brent decided to join BTA because he hit $1 million and he didn't have any money in his bank account.
After joining BTA, some of the things that we implemented was the master business plan, the organization chart, and weekly reviews with our guys. The master business plan is where you can keep track of everything financial. You can start actually almost predicting what's going to happen in your business the more that you fill it out and the more that you watch it.
So the org chart has really allowed us to help our employees sort of choose their own adventure. It helps us also show the employee that we care where they want to go as well. Because of BTA, we started implementing the check-ins and reviews, which has helped with overall communication of how jobs are going.
Our revenue in joining BTA was just over $1 million. Last year we did over 3.5.
In terms of net profit before BTA, we were in the negative. Since joining BTA, our net profit is now at 28%.
Best thing about what BTA has brought me is that if my kid has like a Christmas concert that happens in the middle of the day now, I'm making a Christmas concert.
With home life now, we're actually able to enjoy our weekends. If we come across contractors that are having challenges in their business that are similar to challenges that we have had, we instantly kind of go into, have you tried this? You know,
I've told hundreds of guys that Breakthrough Academy is great.
So next step for us, for me and Brent now, I think is kind of building it to a point where we kind of can step out a little bit and see where the holes are and see what falls through the cracks without us being here and monitoring it 24/7.
I think going forward, hit the $5 million mark hopefully in 2027. By 2032, hopefully be doing $10 million a year without much headache.